on.
Today's video, I kidnapped Jack, and now we're going into a water park because he wants to drown with little.
I don't want to drown. I don't want to drown. No, I don't.
See that lava? Wait.
That's Flood Escape 2. We're playing the original game.
Yeah.
This way.
Yeah. Okay, now drown yourself for fun.
I don't want to drown myself.
But it's fun drowning yourself.
No, it's not.
We should do medium because everybody likes medium.
Okay, I guess we could do medium. But I'm kind of bad at the game.
There's so many people joining us.
Okay, let's continue.
Jack, it's basically just
Oh my god. No, run! Ah, I'm bad at the game. It's already starting to flood. I am so bad. Help, Enrique!
I'm at the top. I can't help you.
No! I fell all the way down! Did you already die? Please. Oh my god.
This is what you do for a living.
I don't know. I don't know what I do. I don't know. Isn't this YouTuber stuff? I clicked the button. Are you happy for me? What? Every K, you don't have to click that button. You didn't even click it. Why'd you kill yourself for absolutely no reason? Should I? Wait, I'm the only one alive now.
What?
I'm the only one alive. Oh, it's too late for me. We have died.
Should we play medium?
Yeah, we need to play easy.
But there's more people.
Easy. We are ascending down. Okay, escape the facility.
I already got the button. Clicked it.
This way. Run.
It's not like you're the one that clicked the button.
Okay, sorry.
Not my fault. Whatever lady was ugly. I had to press.
Okay.
Was that?
Sorry. Wait, what were you meant to be? Oh, this way? We need to delete some feet. Ah! Run! Enrique, run! Get out of here! Enrique, that's not the exit! Oh, this is my end? Oh yeah, this is my end. Bye. Oh wait, I could have won! Yeah. Once again, we need to escape the facility. We are bad at every single game. Goodbye. We need to escape this facility.
I pressed the button. You go to the building.
Foxtrot.
Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh, Susie. Oh, Susie.
Enrique, over here.
I pressed the button.
No, that button is already pressed. When it's red, it's already pressed.
What?
No, you died. Oh.
That was
Quickly, in here. Run. It's already starting to fill up. Wait, I'll go this way to click this button and you get the exit button.
medium.
Okay. There is many people.
When everybody's playing medium, that means we should play medium.
Yeah.
So Jeff.
Yeah.
Jeff,
Yeah.
we have fun.
I did it. Yeah. Because you actually agree with it. Okay, run, Enrique, run. This way. No! Enrique, go on without me again! What?
Jack, I died because the other person died and I didn't want to be lonely.
Oh. Also it's basically impossible without... And let's continue.
I thought all the people that play these games are nostalgic players that are gods at the game. But I think they are just all playing the blame on games.
Come on, Enrique! Come in! Enrique, come in! How I feel about the breaks? I want to kill you! Run! Come on, Enrique, hurry! You did it. What do you say?
I said I promised my great uncle Bundle.
Oh.
I'm gonna die, Jack. I'm gonna die.
I'm gonna die. No! I survived too. Let me go. Oh, I somehow made it. Oh, we are so good to survive this. Wait, did you die? We escaped. Wow, I can't believe you fell into the void. Okay, we got this. Escape. Oh wait, we already done this level. We already beat this level. Quickly, everything get up here. Somebody died. That was because they were bad at the game. Everything up here. Look for me. Okay. Filtering system. Wait, you died at this one? You didn't do this one yet? No, you fell all the way to the bottom again. Waiting for you. No. No, you're not dead. Okay. Oh, you died too? I was gonna wait for you for the doors to open.
Now I want to kill myself.
Okay, let's go.
And then we both need to survive.
Okay, how about we record like 2 more rounds, okay? Okay, 2 more rounds.
Press the button.
Whoa, wait, how do I exit the shop? Stuck in the shop. I can't. Rock, oh,
Someone press the
did it.
slide.
Yeah, all the time. that was impossible. That was impossible. I wonder if I could break the viewers' ears. I probably did it. Alright. Final round. Okay, Enrique? Final round.
We need a win, or else we're not good at this game.
Final last round. Let's go. That wasn't recording. Sing that again.
So we have to do a punishment if we don't win this one.
Well, it's not like we have a camera to show us getting punished.
We have to play Steel Rod. That's much.
Oh no! I don't want to play it! I don't like punishment. Somebody has to go back! Oh my god, maybe I can stop us from... Enrique, you're still home. Still win. I have no idea.
How many people are in your
I'm the final two.
You're gonna play a game of Valorant.
Oh my god, I'm just the last one. Oh, I died. I literally died. Oh no, do we actually have to play Still a Brain Rot? I don't want to. The game is stupid.
Okay, we have to make a challenge for it.
Okay, what should we do?
So what do you want to challenge yourself on?
How about we play like a game that none of us likes? Besides Still a Brain Rot. No, it's evil. Here, how about we play Kill the Brain Rat game that you like? How about we play that Kill the Brain Rat game you like?
No, I only like it because you can kill them.
Okay, well let's play it. Okay, let's go.
No, first we need to put a challenge.
Oh yeah, whoever kills the most brain rats win.
No, a challenge. If we lose it, we have to play that game.
Okay, if we kill more than 100 brain rats, we don't have to play Still a Brain Rot. Okay?
I thought we were gonna play a different game and then challenge ourselves. And if we lose, we
Have to play. Here, let's just play a random game in the next video, okay?
Okay.
How about for the next video?
We have to play the bad game.
I really don't want to play the bad game. Well, what should the next video be?
A game that we're good at.
Well, whatever the next video will be the challenge that we're gonna go against each other. Well, not against each other.
A teamwork. So what's a game you're really good at? And what's a
Wait.
game I'm really good at?
You know what? How about we just play one of those teamwork games? You know what? I'm gonna end the recording. See you next time to challenge ourselves. Goodbye. Oh wait, yeah, right, I have to kill